Hello friends, welcome to our channel Freshers Know. This is Srikanth. So today in this video, let's discuss about books and authors bits. Before that, here is the note. Dear aspirants, the bits provided in this video are useful for your revision before the examination. Okay, here comes our first bit. Which Marathi daily was launched in a New Delhi edition by Vice President of India on December 14th, 2017? And the answer is option A, Lokmat. Second question, who is the author of the book 1984? And the answer is option C, George Orwell. Third question, who has written the book Conflicts of Interest on India's Green Movement? And the answer is option B, Sunita Narain. Fourth question, which of the following is the title of a coffee table book on Department of Defense Production? And the answer is option B, A Journey Towards Self-Reliance. Fifth question, American author George Saunders won the Man Booker Prize for fiction for which novel? And the answer is option A, Lincoln in the Bardo. Sixth question, which of the following is not written by Munshi Premchand? And the answer is option C, Guide. Seventh question, which eminent Marathi writer and journalist was known as Ha Mo? Eighth question, who is the author of art book Bharatiya Kala Main Salil Hridayan Evam Sadyasnata Nayika, released on September 20, 2017? And the answer is option D, both B and C. That is, option B is Sanjeev Kumar Singh, C is Kshetrapal Gangwa. Ninth question, which government agency has developed a handbook of state statistics? And the answer is option B, Niti Aayog. 10th question, who is the world's most highest paid author in 2017 with earnings of $95 million according to Forbes? And the answer is option A, J.K. Rowling. 11th question, National Book Trust is celebrating how many years of the organization in 2017? And the answer is option D, none of the above. 12th question, who has titled her new political book What Happened? And the answer is option A, Hillary Clinton. 13th question, which book is being released by Nobel laureate Amartya Sen on 17th July on the issues faced by Indian universities? And the answer is option B, Future of Indian Universities, Comparative and International Perspectives. 14th question, what is the title of the book authored by Sangeeta Ghosh on the late First Lady Suvra Mukherjee? And the answers are A, Pranabir Preyosi, and the B, President's Lady. 9th question, the book To Live or Not Live was written by? And the answer is option D, Nirad C. Chowdhury. 16th question, which ministry released a booklet highlighting efforts by self-reliance in production of arms and ammunitions? And the answer is option D, Defense. 17th question, PM Modi will be authoring a book on which subject in a first of its kind initiative? And the answer is option D, only A and B. That is A, dedicated to youth, and the option B is coping with exam stress. 18th question. Emergency, Indian democracy's darkest hour is the name of a, and the answer is option B, book. 19th question. Ministry of Tourism released a compendium for which facilities? And the answer is option A, Ayush. 20th question. Who has authored Indira Gandhi, A Life in Nature? And the answer is option C, Jairam Ramesh. 21st question. Who edited the 23 Vachana volumes in 23 Indian languages for Basava Jayanti? And the answer is option A, M.M. Kalburgi. 22nd question. Which Satara village is said to become India's first book village? And the answer is option A, Bilar. 23rd question. Which Congress leader wrote The Flaming Tresses of Draupadi? And the answer is option C, M. Veerappa Mouli. 24th question. Who has authored Indian Railway, The Weaving of National Tapestry? And the answer is option D, all of the above. 25th question. Which book has FB COO Sheryl Sandberg released in March 2017? And the answer is option A. 26th question. Which new novel is to be released by Salman Rushdie? And the answer is option C, The Golden House. 27th question. Who is the father of English poetry? And the answer is option C, Chaucer. 28th question. Alice in Wonderland, the famous TV serial, is based on a book written by? And the answer is option D, Lewis Carroll. 29th question. Who was the writer and author associated with The Exorcist? And the answer is option C, William Peter Blatty. 30th question. The Gathering Storm is written by? And the answer is option A, Winston Churchill. 31st question. Book entitled Courts of India Past to Present was compiled by the Supreme Court Editorial Committee headed by whom? And the answer is option C, Justice Bob D. Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography has won the Crossword Book of the Year award. What is it called? And the answer is option C, Playing It My Way. 34th question. Which book has been authored by CSE's Sunita Narain? And the answer is option A, Conflicts of Interest, My Journey Through India's Green Movement. 35th question. Which Indian PM also authored a book? And the answer is option C, both of the above. That is A, Jawaharlal Nehru, B, Narendra Modi. 36th question. The Adivasi Will Not Dance has been shortlisted for the Hindu Prize 2016. Who has authored it? And the answer is option A, Hansda Sauvindra Sekhar. 37th question. Which book authored by Dhruba Jyoti Bora captures the journey of a group of militants in Bhutan? And the answer is option C, The Sleepwalker's Dream. 38th question. Which author announced her novel in the first week of October 2016? And the answer is option C, Arundhati Roy. 39th question. Who is the history professor to be awarded the John F. Richards Prize for her book on 4th October? And the answer is option B, Nayan Jyoth Lahiri. 40th question. Vice President of India Shri Hamid Ansari authored which book? And the answer is option C, Citizen and Society. 41st question. India released the first ever coffee table book of NE. Who has it been published by? And the answer is option B, North-Eastern Council. 42nd question. West Indies opener Chris Gayle launched his autobiography. What is its title? And the answer is option A, Six Machine. 43rd question. Author Sanjeev Sanyal has written which book released in August 2016? And the answer is option A. 44th question. Chaitanya Padukone has authored a book on which legendary musician? And the answer is option B, R.D. Burman. 45th question. President of India Shri Pranab Mukherjee has received a book Grassroots Innovation. Who has it been authored by? And the answer is option D, Professor Anil K. Gupta. 46th question. A book titled India Rising, Fresh Hope, New Fears was written by whom? And the answer is option B, Ravi Vellore. 47th question. Which books have been released on the life of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam on July 27th, 2016? And the answer is option D, all of the above. 48th question. The Great Derangement, Climate Change and the Unthinkable was authored by which well-known Indian novelist? And the answer is option A, Amitav Ghosh. 49th question. Which book authored by Margaret Alva was released in 2016? And the answer is option A, Courage and Commitment, an autobiography. 50th question. Who authored Who Moved My Interest Rate? And the answer is option A, D. Subbarao. 51st question. Which book on Vijayendra Singh was authored by Rudranil Sen Gupta? And the answer is option A, Ringside with Vijayendra. 52nd question. Union Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh released a book on the CRPF on July 5th, 2016. What is it called? And the answer is option C, Ayodhya Ki Shurveer. 53rd question. Which book was released by PM Modi on 28th June on birds in Gujarat? And the answer is option A, Birds of Bani Grassland. Name the book released chronicling President Pranab Mukherjee's visit to 116 institutions of higher learning in the nation. And the answer is option D, the Education President. 56th question. New book called The Unseen Indira has been authored by which writer, released in May 2016? And the answer is option A, K.P. Mathur. 57th question. Book entitled Gujarat Files, Anatomy of a Cover-Up was authored by which writer and released in May 2016? And the answer is option D, Rana Ayub. 58th question. Which saint's life will be told through the book A Call to Mercy, Hearts to Love, Hands to Serve? And the answer is option B, Mother Teresa. 59th question. Which famous author's book entitled 59th question? Which famous author's book entitled My Favorite Nature Stories was released on May 19, 2016? And the answer is option A, Ruskin Bond. 60th question. Who has authored India vs Pakistan? Why can't we just be friends? And the answer is option C, Hussein Haqqani. 61st question. What is Sania Mirza's autobiography called? And the answer is option B, Ace Against Odds. 62nd question. Who has authored the book Legacy of Jadis? And the answer is option A, C. Maheswaran. 63rd question. Which author wrote Blood on My Hands, Confessions of Staged Encounters? And the answer is option A, Kishle Betterjee. 64th question. Who has authored The Making of India, The Untold Story of British Enterprises? And the answer is option D, Kartar Lalwani. 65th question. Which author has written Gandhi, an illustrated biography? And the answer is option D, Pramod Kapoor. 66th question. Fixed Cash and Corruption is authored by which veteran journalist? And the answer is option B, Shantanu Guha. 67th question. Who Was Shivaji is a book authored by which well-known rationalist? And the answer is option B, Govind Pansari. 68th question. Which book has been based on Sepp Blatter about his life at FIFA? And the answer is option C, Sepp Blatter, Mission Football. 69th question. Print and digital versions of yearbooks dash were launched by Ministry of I&B. And the answer is option D, both A and B. That is option A, India 2016, B, Bharat 2016. 70th question. Recently, Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography has entered the Limca Book of Records for being the bestseller in the non-fiction and fiction categories for adult hardback. What is its title? And the answer is option B, Playing It My Way. 71st question. Book on Jawaharlal Nehru was released by Hamid Ansari, Vice President of India. What is its title? And the answer is option B, Jawaharlal Nehru and the Indian Polity in Perspective. 73rd question. Second edition of which book has been released by DEA's Middle Office? And the answer is option B, Handbook of Statistics on Central Government Debt. 74th question. President of India Shri Pranab Mukherjee has presented a copy of which book to ESL Narasimhan? And the answer is option B, The Presidential Retreats of India. 75th question. Which book has been authored by the grand niece of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Madhuri Bose? And the answer is option B, The Bose Brothers and Indian Independence, an insider's account. 76th question. Which Indian origin writer has been declared the winner of the Southeast Asia Write Award? And the answer is option B, Jamaluddin Muhammad Salih. 77th question. President of India Shri Pranab Mukherjee received copies of which books from Shri Narendra Modi, India's PM, on December 11th, 2015? And the answer is option D, both B and C. And the B option is Selected Speeches of the President, Volume 3. And the C option is Presidential Retreats. 78th question. Which noted poet returned his Padma Shri to protest moral asymmetry in the nation on 22nd November 2015? And the answer is option B, Jayanta Mahapatra. 79th question, which publication has been released at the opening of IFFI 2015 on 28th November 2015? And the answer is option B, Legends of Indian Silver Screen. 80th question, which books have been launched on R. Dadi Janaki, the 100-year world head of Brahma Kumaris? And the answer is option D, all of the above. Ta-Nehisi Coates has won the National Book Award for Non-Fiction on 18th November. And the answer is option B, Between the World and Me. 82nd question, which book authored by Nandan Nilekani and Viral Shah was released on November 4th, 2015? And the answer is option C, Rebooting India, Realizing a Billion Aspirations. 83rd question, ISRO has released which publication on 5th November 2015 on the occasion of the second anniversary of MOM? And the answer is option B, From Fishing Hamlet to Red Planet. 84th question, Lala Lajpat Rai is the author of the book? And the answer is option B, Unhappy India. 85th question, noted writers from Maharashtra returned literary awards to protest culture of intolerance in the nation. This include, and the answer is option D, all of the above. 86th question, which book was launched on 19th October 2015 that is an autobiography of Sam Pitroda? And the answer is option C, Dreaming Big, My Journey to Connect India. 87th question, renowned film critic Mithali Rao has authored a book on which famous Indian actress? And the answer is option D, Smita Patil. 88th question, which eminent Rajasthani Hindi writer has returned his Sahitya Akademi Award on 15th October 2015? And the answer is option B, Nand Bharadwaj. 89th question, which writer has been named the winner of Man Booker Prize 2015 on 14th October 2015? And the answer is option C, Marlon James. 90th question, David Copperfield is the name of? And the answer is option A, novel. 91st question, the Clinton's War on Women has been authored by which writers? And the answer is option C, both A and B. That is, A option is Roger Stone, B option is Robert Morrow. 92nd question, a book on Lata Mangeshkar entitled Lata Mangeshkar, A Musical Journey has been authored by? And the answer is option B, Yatendra Mishra. 93rd question, name the author of the book 1965 Stories from the Second Indo-Pak War, launched on 28th August 2015. And the answer is option B, Rachna Bis Rawat. 94th question, name the author of the book entitled Making India Awesome. And the answer is option C, Chetan Bhagat. 95th question, who is the author of the book titled Mrs. Funny Bones? She's just like you and a lot like me. And the answer is option D, Twinkle Khanna. 96th question, who is the author of the book The Kumbh Mela Mapping the Ephemeral Megacity? And the answer is option C, Tarun Khanna. 97th question, who is the author of the book Sleeping on Jupiter, shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize 2015? And the answer is option C, Anuradha Roy. 98th question, who is the author of the book titled India Central Asia Relations, The Economic Dimension? And the answer is option D, Amiya Chandra. 99th question, The famous book, The Daughter of the East, is written by? And the answer is option B, Miss Benazir Bhutto. 100th question. Name the editor of the book Education of Muslims, an Islamic Perspective of Knowledge and Education, Indian Context. And the answer is option B, J.S. Rajput. So I hope you all like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Freshers Know. Thank you. Have a great day.